We will guide you through how to make chalk effect in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your web browser by locating its icon on your device and double-clicking it. Click inside the address bar and type Photopea. Press Enter on your keyboard. When the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏. After the Photopea workspace loads, click the New Project option to create a new editing document. Choose any available template in Photopea that fits your design or image requirements. Next, change the background color so the project has no visible background behind the image. Once the template and background settings are ready, click the Create button to open the new project and begin editing. Go to the File menu at the top of the workspace, then select the Open and Place option. Browse through your device folders and locate the image you prepared before starting the tutorial. When you find the correct image, double-click it to import and place it into the Photopea project. Next, open the Filter menu at the top of the screen. Move through the available options, find the Stylize menu, and select the Find Edges filter to create visible outlines around the details of your image. After applying the filter, open the new Adjustment Layer menu and choose the Levels adjustment. Adjust the levels settings by making the dark areas blacker and the light areas whiter, increasing the contrast and strengthening the chalk-like appearance. Set the Levels adjustment layer as a clipping mask. Then, add an invert adjustment to the adjustment layer to reverse the image colors and improve the effect. Set this adjustment layer back to a clipping mask. Finally, select your image layer and change its blending mode to screen. Your chalk effect is now complete, and you have learned how to make a chalk effect in Photopea successfully.